Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to update your billing address on WOW. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $100 Visa reward. If you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on Billing and Payment. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Update Billing Address. Click on Update Billing Address. Now, on the fields provided, enter your first name and last name, as well as the new billing address you wish to use. After entering, click on the button that says Update Billing Address. That's how you update your billing address on WOW. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.